Unlock the power of Higgsfield AI on your PC without spending a dime. Today, we're diving into the world of accessible artificial intelligence, specifically focusing on how you can leverage Higgsfield AI for your creative endeavors. All for free. Your journey starts with exploring the most straightforward method, the web-based interface. Think of it as a direct gateway to Higgsfield AI's functionalities right within your browser. Many powerful AI platforms offer limited free access or a trial period, and Higgsfield AI is no exception. Typically, you'll find a main page where you can sign up for an account or directly access certain features. Look for a sign up, get started, or try for free button. Once you've created your account, you'll likely be directed to a user-friendly dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. Browse through the available AI tools. Are you looking to generate creative text, whip up stunning visuals, or perhaps analyze data? Select the tool that fits your project. For example, if you're into writing, you might choose the text generation feature. Simply input your prompt, a clear instruction, or a starting point for the AI. After entering your prompt, hit the Generate button. Within moments, Higgsfield AI will process your request and deliver its output. You can often refine these results, tweak parameters, or try different prompts to achieve the perfect outcome for your creative project, all without a subscription fee. Beyond the direct web interface, keen users can also investigate open-source alternatives or community-driven projects that might integrate with or offer similar functionalities to Higgsfield AI. While this might involve a slightly steeper learning curve, it opens up a world of flexibility and customization if you're comfortable exploring development environments or community forums. So, whether you're a student working on a school project, an artist exploring new mediums, or simply a curious mind, Higgsfield AI offers a powerful and accessible platform to boost your creativity. Completely free. Start exploring its web interface today and see what you can create.